What's up, guys? So it looks like we know what day today is. It's the very first day that we take our 1966 Honda Dream for a test ride. I've spent the last several months, actually weeks, whatever. I tore the thing down 2 years ago, and due to circumstances, it took us a while to get this thing going, but as we are right now, we've got just a few little touches left to make. I need to finish making the seat bracket, the spring and ball bearing that holds the kickstart lever in place. You can see it's just going to fly all over the place. So I've got a beautiful bungee cord to try to hold that back out of the way while we take our first ride. And the starter. Starter's not working for some reason, but we can kickstart it and get this thing on the road. So let's give her a shot, see what we've got. We're going to fire it up. So this thing actually has a dual mode switch. This is technically on with no lights. We can flip it one step further to turn the lights on for nighttime riding, but we'll just keep the headlights on. Fuel is on. Let's get this puppy fired. Kind of helps if you don't have it in gear while you try it. I promise that's only the second time I've done that today. All right, here we go. '66 Honda Dream, up and running. Keep that little thing nice and tucked out of the way. Let's go try it out. Sort of a rainy day. There she is. A few little adjustments now. The brakes are a little bit soft, so we've got to tighten those up and maybe make a small adjustment to the clutch, but otherwise, I think she's roadworthy. Thanks for following, guys. We'll keep you updated on this, and that's all she wrote.